Got the point? Okay. And see, in the same way, when you are starting so much effort in that, then you need to have a success number. So how you will be gaining the success? You should know. Okay. So the people who create this business are called entrepreneurs. Okay. So what is that? Entrepreneur is someone who develops a business model, acquires the necessary physical, human capital to start a new ventures, and operationalize and is responsible for success or failure. Nowadays, we are seeing your students, professionals, people are developing their own small startups. I think your seniors you have seen also. Okay, so when you are getting an idea, you are starting. So for that, when you are establishing your startup, what are the things you require? See, these are the main 10 skills an entrepreneurship has. Okay, right? It's not like that. See, in olden days, in traditional methods, what we used to do, okay, we used to start the business with what we say just in trial things. That time was different. But now, as there is a lot of, I mean to say, so many people are in competition along with us, it's not easy to establish a, what we say, company or something. And you need to sustain and you need to get the success. Okay, so for that purpose, you cannot go just blindly like that. You need to apply some skills so that you will be successful. Okay, so these are the main 10 skills, so which you need to keep in concentration when you're having your own strategy. Okay, so one thing is, first one is analytical thinking. So before this traditional method that was, you need to have some analytical thinking with respect to this. Some theories are also there. So you need thinking. Then critical thinking. If any problems are there, so in that case, what you need to do. Then effective communication skills. See, you are having full idea, everything, money, etc. But you are not able to convey properly to someone, or otherwise you are grabbing some, what we say, some partners. So when you are not communicating your, what we say, problem to them, then say, they cannot understand and then they cannot help you. So effective communication skills are also very important. Okay. Then negotiation skills. See, obviously, what we do when you go into the market, what do you do? If someone is telling, okay, if you're going to fixed market, different. Suppose if you're going to some wholesale market, you want to get some goods for your company. When you do the same thing, what they ask, what do? You negotiate. You negotiate to the maximum. But see, as a human being, this negotiation skills is not similar in each and every individual. Have you observed? Have you observed? I may have some level of negotiation skills, you may have something, okay? So these also you need to learn what things you need to keep in front of them and how you need to negotiate them. Okay, you think that, okay, no, it's a natural, here also you need to learn. Next, strategic decision making. Blindly you cannot do that. Okay, so you need to make some strategies to achieve your goals. So, see, one strategy is not enough. When you are doing a startup, one strategy is not enough. When you are planning something, one step you have, okay, these are the requirements, these are the things. You need to plan 2 to 3 things. This is not successful, then second one will go. Okay, right? I think it's the same when you're writing a program here. What you do? If that program is not, executed, what do you do? Yes or no? Next, if you go to the next step. In the same way, when you are making the strategies also, you should plan 2 to 3 strategies so that if one is not successful, you can go for the other. Got the point? Next, time management is very, very, very essential. Why? If we don't manage the time now, what idea we got, others may also get it. Okay, see, when you're doing something, before, if he's launching now, our things will go away. So because of that, time management is very, very, very essential. You cannot, you are thinking something immediately, you have to act, you have to go and do the strategies, everything. But the point, no, I'll do it this 5-6 years. At that time, the product will come into the market. So you cannot have that much profit rates as compared to the other. Next, effective networking. See, when you are having a startup, you produce the parts or whatever, assemble whatever, you are having your own tap. But what you need to do, You need to sell it now. You need to sell. Otherwise, you'll keep it with you. Yes, last guys laughing so much, enjoying. Let us know when you're manufacturing a part or something, like program. What you do? You keep it with you. You should sell now. You should sell in the market. So what do? When do you sell properly? When do you get the good profits? When you are having effective networking. Okay, otherwise you don't have any network. Where you go and sell your things? Got the point? So you need to have some system when you are having your startup. At least you should have a strong workforce along with your friends or something with whom you are starting. Okay, right? Next, leadership skills. This is important. Okay, you should have leadership skills. See, if you don't have, as a human, you are not perfectly born. You know now this one. This all five fingers are not equal. In the same way, you will not learn in one. Just when you grow up, you just see the things. If you don't know, you learn. Okay. Something wherever we are having deficiency, we try to make up or we will be strong for learning. Okay. That is the human tendency. Got the point? This is the speciality of humans. Understood? So then you should have a presentation skills. So say once you're getting your startup, you should be able to present your skills also. Why? Because see, when you're it is interrelated to your networking. Say when the things are there with you need to present to the other parties. Okay, that perfect presentation skills also you need. Next, creative thinking. See how I should be different from the present market. Say I think as a youngsters, what do you do when you are going to buy a thing, like a bike or something? What do you see in that? Uniqueness. Still, performance, uniqueness, something, some stylish. Okay, all it should be somewhat different. Okay, in the same way, when you want to be in the market and you want to be successful, so you should think something different from the other people which are present in the market. Okay. Okay. So along with that, these are also some specific entrepreneurship skills that you need to have. So what plan already has it? Goal setting. How goal setting in terms of specific, measurable, tangible. Okay. See, when you start having a startup, so many areas will be there, which has to be reacted immediately. Some you can take some time, and some you may have some more time. So according to our need, what we need to act. So all the things you cannot do at once. So according to the need you have. When you are establishing an organization, so what is the immediate need you have to act there? Okay, if some time is there in the second strategy, this you can wait some more time. Okay, decision making is there, dedication, support your workers and your colleagues. This is very, very important. When you are starting a new organization, one man cannot do anything. One man or woman, whatever is there, they cannot do anything. They should have a strong workforce for their success. So you need to do. Okay. Next, communication safety, controlling to platform. Yeah. These are also some of the entrepreneurship skills. What business skills are there? This again have been bifurcated into three types. One is business skills, communication skills, and human relational skills. Coming to the business skills, what it is basic understanding of how the economy works, as well as financial, marketing, and management concepts. So in this, you need to study and you need to train with respect to these things. What? Financial, marketing, and management concepts. This comes under business skills. Next, communication